Used 3-roll bending pipe mill line for sale. Plate edge milling machine made in Korea. 3-roll bending machine, Haeusler, Switzerland. Post bending machine, Haeusler, Switzerland. Tack welding machine, Haeusler, Switzerland. Inside welding machine, Haeusler, Switzerland. Outside welding, Haeusler, Switzerland. In-out combination welding machine, made in Korea. Copander machine, made in Korea. End-facing machine, Pearl, Germany. Pipe inside washing machine, made in Korea. Hierostatica test machine, Yamamoto, Japan. Axe ray machine, Nawakomat, made in Korea. Pipe semi-correction machine, made in Korea. Pipe roll conveyor and skid die, made in Korea. E-Pipe Corporation, Used Machinery Sales Division.